Life is meant to be lived hands-on, not from the sidelines. If pain or injury is keeping you pinned down, visit the Jackson Clinics for a hands-on, exceptionally skilled approach to pain treatment. Founded by Richard and Anna Jackson, the Jackson Clinics provide comprehensive techniques so patients can expect a fuller, more sustainable recovery. Our passion for the best results is evident, and we use an innovative process to actually treat symptoms. The Rapid Pain Relief Program, extensive orthopedic and sports medicine therapy, aquatic therapy, and injury prevention programs are all designed to keep you as active, healthy, and pain-free in your life as possible. Continuing education and research help guarantee that our staff offer you the most up-to-date treatments and techniques, all in a safe, caring environment. Stay in the game with the Jackson Clinics. Hands-on physical therapy.